Hi, my name is Derek, and I'm a career coordinator at the University of Akron. In this video, we will discuss overall resume formatting and resume headers. A resume needs to be properly formatted to leave a good first impression on the reader. As we already discussed, a resume has multiple sections that highlight your greatest professional accomplishments, education, volunteer work, skill sets, awards, and more. Before we discuss these in detail, let's focus on formatting first. For a traditionally formatted resume, you will only want to have one full page of content. A good rule of thumb as to how many pages are appropriate for your resume is to consider how many degrees you have earned. Remember that 1 degree warrants one full page for your resume. Keep in mind that your resume should have narrow margins. Your resume should have margins between 1/2 of an inch and 1 inch on all sides. Remember, when it comes to spacing between lines and sections, consistent spacing is key. Be sure to use reader-friendly fonts when writing your resume, such as Arial, Georgia, and Times New Roman. As a final rule of thumb, make sure that your resume has a clean format and is free of typos. Now that you understand traditional resume formatting, let's talk about resume headers. Your header is a reader's first glimpse of you and is the first section of your resume. Your header acts as your ID badge and should always include your name, address, phone number, and professional email address. Headers take on two common formats. If you need to conserve space, have your demographic information on one line. But if you're looking to fill space, consider breaking up your information so that it stands out to employers and fills up white space.